nakakakilig naman, nakakatuwa yung mga nanay natin na hindi natin lubos maisip yung mga imposibleng bagay, magagawa pa lang nila. Oo. Sana next year, no, mga 30 candidates na sila. Oo. Para malalaman natin talaga sino talaga yung pinakamaitim na babae. Ayan, oo. Okay, so thank you so much once again to our candidates. Alright, so now, for our winners tonight, we have our minor awards. For our best in production number, best in casual wear, best in swimwear, best in talent, best in long gown, and best in Q&A. So those are our minor awards. So for our major awards, we have Gandang Nanay ng Olais 2025 second runner-up will receive 2,000 pesos in cash, a sash, a trophy, and a crown. For our Gandang Nanay Olais 2025 first runner-up will be receiving 3,000 pesos in cash, of course, with the trophy, sash, and crown. And for this year, Gandang Nanay ng Olais 2025 grand winner will receive 5,000 pesos in cash, plus a crown, of course, together with the sash and the trophy. And of course, we would like also to acknowledge our sponsors, Cafe ni Maurus, Harvey Photography, Richard Paul Alcantara Creations, of course, Boss Jim, styled by Boss Jim. Ayan po, no? So, ang nag-design po ng ating stage ngayon, maraming salamat po, styled by Boss Jim. Siyempre, I would like also to plug na rin, no? Sana hayaan niyo ako, payagan niyo ako. Para po sa mga magpa-birthday, ayan, magdidibu o anuman po, kung kailangan niyo po ng event stylist, please message us on Facebook account, styled by Boss Jim. Ayan. And of course, siyempre kung meron din kayong other celebration na gusto niyo ng host at gusto niyo ako makasama, ayan, please also message me on my Facebook account at Jerjer. Ayan. So sa mga Cebuano diha, ayan. So Jerjer po yung pangalan ko ha. Wala pang ibang meaning yun. Ayan. Alright. So now, let's continue our competition. Kanina, nagpakitang gilas sa nakakatarantang production number. Sumunod yung casual wear. Sunod, nagpainit sa swimsuit. Ngayon naman, ang talento ng nanay ay hindi lamang pagbibigkas ng malulutong at masasakit na salita. Hindi lang perfect na sinaing ang talento ng nanay. Oo, hindi lang talento ng nanay yung maghanap ng hanap kahit walang Google Map. Oo. Pero ngayon, papakitaan tayo ng mga natatanging talento ng ating mga kandidato for tonight ng Gandang Nanay ng Olais 2025. So now, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's have our candidates on their talent competition. Let's begin with candidate number 1.
So, background music lang muna. Kahit anong tuntong po. Background music lang muna. Background music lang po muna. Abdela.
Kaya feeling ko magpapalo siya ng...
Alright, so once again, for our talent portion, let's give it up for our candidate number 1, Elizabeth Cifuego.
Entertainment.
Alright, o sige, lapit tayo muna dito na. Palakpakan naman kay candidate number 1! Ay, sige, konting chikahan lang tayo.